particle, nucleoprotein. Viroids have nucleic acid only or protein only? Nucleic acid and protein. Viroids only nucleic acid, RNA. Here nucleic acid can be, in case of viroids only, virus is protein coat, viroids में, in viruses are smaller than but larger than, viroids are, viruses infect all type of organism, but viroids infect only plants. Can you give me any example? Potato, spindle, tuber, disease. बोलिए, clear? Right? Now, last thing in this chapter that we are going to learn about, that is, you know very well, lichen. Have we discussed? Tell me that lichen is a combi of algae and fungi. Algae provides what? Food, right? Prepared food. And fungi provides what? Water and minerals. That do absorption, but provide what? That's the water and minerals to algae, right? Now, study of fungi we call, yaad hai? Mycology. Isn't it? Which one? Mycology. So now, lichen in the two components are there. Fungi and second is a which one? Algae. Fungal component we call mycobiont. Which word? Fungal component we call? Fungal component we call? Myco term refer for fungus, right? And algae के लिए word use होता है phycobiont. Phycobiont. Which one? Phycobiont. So algal component we call? Algal component we call? Repeat. And the fungal component we call? Which one? Mycobiont, right? So mycobiont and other is a right? Mycobiont provides what? Mycobiont provides what? Water and minerals. Phyco component provides what? Prepared food, right? Both living as a one unit, as a team, right? They live with each other, gets benefit from each other. It's a one kind of symbiosis, mutualism. Now, as they are growing in different habitat, their three different forms are available. Not given in your book, just for your reference. That यहाँ पे आपको जैसे रॉक के ऊपर है ना, स्टोन रॉक के ऊपर है, वैसे टाइप का इसका स्ट्रक्चर्स दिखता है, तो इसको बोलते हैं क्रस्टोस लाइकेन, राइट? वन टाइप ऑफ लाइकेन क्रस्टोस, सेकेंड होता है फॉलियोस एंड थर्ड इज अ फ्रूटिकोस, राइट? तीन टाइप के लाइकेन्स होते हैं, क्रस्टोस, फॉलियोस एंड द फ्रूटिकोस लाइकेन. We are not going into that detailed structure functions, right? Simple, you have to just remember three types of lichens: crustose, foliose, and the which one? Fruticose kind of the lichen. Boliye, clear? Anyone have a doubt? Sure? Everything is clear? Now, next one in that, so lichen, they are symbionts, yes or no, or parasitic? In that, mutually useful association between algae and fungi. Algal component we call? Fungal component we call? Algae, fungi. Now understand these words. Algae prepares fungi provides shelter as well as absorb. Yes. Next one. After that, lichens are very good pollution in the lichens grown right where the non-polluted conditions there, right? Do not grow in polluted areas. Lichens are sensitive to sulfur dioxide. लाइकेंस आर सेंसिटिव टू मेनली विच वन, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड। अगर जहाँ पे सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड ज्यादा है वहां पे लाइकेंस ग्रो नहीं कर पाता है, राइट। सो लाइकेन इज अ गुड पॉल्यूशन indicator. These are the examples of lichen. Usnea and Parmelia. कौन से है? Repeat. Parmelia. Repeat. Usnea and Parmelia.